Welcome back, boys. Today I'm going to be showing a tutorial on how to polish and restore your paint. As you can, my paint is very, well, scratchy, let's say. I'll show you. As you can see, it has the spider web from all the washes, the spider web scratching, and has some deeper scratches. So we're going to be correcting this paint and making it shine. First, we need to wash your car. Personally, I like to use Maguire's Wash and Wax. This is a super good wash. It's not sponsored by Maguire's. Or I like to use a Swedish brand called Tearshine. It gives amazing results, and it smells amazing. You also need something to dry your car with. So that's very important, because otherwise, well, the results aren't that good, and something to wash it with. And then to the polish part. Personally, I use this. I use a polish machine. You can also do it by hand, but it's so much easier to do it a machine. I also have the medium cut or medium foam pad for polishing. I personally like the medium a little bit more, and also something to dry your. It'll take away the polishing afterwards to see the results. And of course, the polish. I use the Maguire's 3-in-1 wax. This is a super good one. It's not sponsored by them, but I really recommend it. It's very, very good, and it's easy to use. Now we're going to be washing the car. I'm going to do a time lapse of it because, well, it's easy to wash a car. So let's go. You can use a foam lens, but I personally like the good old bucket version with a swamp. So let's do it. Look at the result from only a wash. It's already shining. So let's do the paint. Let's just dry it and then do the polish. Alright, boys, now we're going to start the polishing process. We want to be under a roof, and preferably in the shade, so the sun doesn't destroy the polish or warm it up. It can actually destroy your paint. So I couldn't be in my garage, so I'm in the park beside my garage. Now I'm going to show you what my paint looks like before, and then I'm going to show you and tell you how to polish and how to use it, what pressure to use and everything. So you can see all the scratch marks and all the imperfections on this paint. So this is what it looks like before, and I'm going to polish this whole side from here. You can see the body line, and then I'm going to show you a before and after. So this has a cardboard back, so I literally only have to stick it on, and it's perfectly on. And now to how much you want to use the polish. Preferably, because this is quite a big pad, so you want to use 5 to 6 clicks. So you only do. Also got to turn your cap backwards, so you look like a professional. And then also about 5 to 6 clicks. So you do 1. You don't want to use too much. This is the perfect amount. You want to put some light pressure, light to medium pressure, because if you press too hard, you can actually destroy your clear coat, and because it heats up the surface and it can destroy your clear coat, like I said. Use light to medium. I also use, I start with 3 and then move my way up. Sometimes I start with 2, but firstly, you gotta prep the one. So you just do this. So you prep the surface and get all that in, and then you can just start. When you've done that to the whole surface, firstly, like I said, you wanna go around, spread the polish out, so you get the polish on the whole surface. Then you wanna start the fine tuning. I use setting 4, and then you wanna just go slowly up and down. Like first like this, then you wanna go like this, and then you wanna do another pass on the first thing you did. So that's what I said. So I do 2 like this all the way down, and 1 like this. So that's, yeah, basically it. Now you gotta dry it off. Perfect. My cameraman had a good point. So you want to go side to side and up and down so you remove all the residue. You don't want to leave any on your car, especially when there's sun out. It can actually burn into your paint, and that actually ruins your paint. I also use this. It's a little cloth when you polish, so you can remove all the rest of the imperfections and get that shine out. So yeah, a whole car. And this one you want to put some pressure into it. There you go. Let me show you the look at this difference. Damn. Yeah, you can mirror yourself, so this turned out super good. And this is the undone part. You can see all the imperfections in the paint. This turned out very good. So yeah, super happy with the results. Alright, so basically that's how you polish. I hope I didn't leave any details out. I think I got everything, but leave in the comments if you have any questions. I'll try to answer every one of them. But now I'm gonna do the rest of the car, but I just wanted to show before and after on this hood part. So thank you for watching so much, and if you like more tutorials like this, please leave a comment on what you want to see next. Please subscribe to help us reach 1,000 subscribers. That's the goal before summer. It's already starting to be summer, so we don't have a lot left, so please subscribe. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.